Oh, well, to touch anything. That was depressing. Back. Here she is, ladies and gentlemen. There she is going, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, it is a bit windy out here. Hopefully it's not too bad, but today is the day that the NSX is leaving me. It is going in a truck across the country. I am here to film myself crying. I brought my glasses so that, you know, there's no tears going down my face. My dad went to go back to pick up my girlfriend because he had to take that car so we get home. My girlfriend said she didn't want to go. Jay said she didn't want to come, and now she wants to come. These are going to be the final shots of the car. I'm going to actually FaceTime the new owner at some point and just kind of let him know the car's going on the trailer. But if you guys are new, before we get into that, welcome to this video. Subscribe if you're new, like if you enjoy, and welcome to Driven by Jordan. The man is just doing his thing. We get to watch it get loaded up. This kind of sucks because I've actually never had a car delivered on a trailer, right? So my first experience with an enclosed trailer is sending my car away. That kind of sucks. Maybe I'll just put the new replacement on a trailer just for fun, so I can see it go on a trailer. I don't know. But before the car goes, I need to get one last cinematic of the car. This is the last time I'll ever have it unless I go visit it across the country, or I find another blue one and just lie to you guys and say it. Whatever. Enjoy. Well, look, hey, I'm not a cinematographer, but I hope that was enough for you guys, okay? You know, I've done a lot. I'm kind of exhausted with this car. I could put some new effort into the new car. At this moment in time, I think you guys get how obsessed I've always been with this car, how obsessed I am with this car, and I hope you guys all understand. If I was a rich man and I was rich enough to keep this and buy another replacement, exotic, that was a manual, I would. Exotic, I guess, you'll see. But with right now, it's just not possible. So I think that's the owner calling me. I'll see you guys in a second when it's getting loaded up. Look who showed up. Hey, don't touch her, don't touch her, don't touch her, don't touch her. I wiped her down nice. Don't do it. Are you kissing it? Okay, kiss mark's okay. If he finds a kiss mark, he'll be okay. Oh, what else is in there?
Hey.
I don't know what car is in there. Curious.
Oh, I just saw a lizard green Porsche GT3.
Actually?
Yeah.
A 3 or RS? Did it have like a bunch of aerodynamics on it? Huge wing?
No.
No. And how do you know it's lizard green?
I know, I don't know what lizard green is.
I told you, but you don't know what lizard green is.
Yes, I do.
I don't think you know what it looks like.
Yes, I do. Like lime green.
Okay, that is lizard. What's my dad doing?
Cool.
Oh, he's staying in the shade. Here's my other baby. I'm telling my dad to pull my car up next to this car because I've never actually shot them next to each other. And I'm like, I swear to God right now, if you hit the car, I will figuratively kill you. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, stop. You're good. You make sure that's in park. Guys, the 2 ladies, actually my 3 ladies before they all go.
Dad said on the way here.
What?
I go, is he sad? And he goes, no, he's always looking for like the next thing when he gets something. I go, is he looking for the
next you?
What's also scary is that you haven't even met the guy, you know?
He's cool though, I just talked to him. For those who are wondering, doing a deal across state lines, very complicated.
Wait, I want to film this.
Oh, wow. Alright, this is where we need photos. Too emotional to be doing things right now. It's such a pretty car.
Can I tell you what I was gonna do last night?
Huh?
The whole entire reason why I stayed home is because I was gonna try to prank you, and then I tried everything. I was gonna put the clothing rack on your car and like lay towels down on it, and then my mom
Wait,
told
what was
me
last night?
when you went to Long
Oh,
Beach.
that's why you didn't go?
Yeah, I felt so bad.
Okay.
Oh, I'm even like freaking out. Oh, she's leaving the ground. Say your final goodbye.
It feels like a loved one passed away. Like I'm supposed to go up to the car in like 1-to-1 prime time lower cabin. You know what I mean? It's like first class. You know, we don't want to be up there shaking around. We want to be, or
Really?
do we? Or maybe we do. I don't know.
know.
I haven't thought about that. I go right now. Nah, cut this. Give it back. Give it back. I'm not selling it. Oh, sketchy. Mirrors only fit within maybe 2 inches on each side. Whoa, she looks kind of mean though. Wait, let me get photos of this. We are taking her back out so that she doesn't flat bottom on the bumps in the road. She was very close to the bottom and she's getting the luxury spot back there. So with that being said, the top is really the luxury spot. I retract my option. We are getting upgraded to a presidential suite. We're actually going to the penthouse because, well, you know, we're penthouse level here, okay? I don't like my car that high in the air. What if right now, what would you do if you just...
Earthquake?
You know what I would do? Actually, you want to know realistic reaction? I would do this for probably 30 minutes straight. In shock, I go like this. That's what I would do. I wouldn't stop, probably. Probably have to like go grab me food and feed me like this for a couple. Probably shouldn't do that movement either, but that's what deadass probably what I would do.
You always said if you had a dog poop in your car, you'd sell it. Just
Oh
like,
yeah, if a dog shits in my car, I'm not gonna clean the dog shit. I'm just selling the car as is with the shit, because there's no way I'm cleaning that out of my car. No.
You are way too bougie. Like, look at you.
I'm not even receiving one too. I'm actually lightening, actually I'm not lightening my bank account. I am thickening my bank account to liquidate assets so I become more rich. So I'm actually
Oh my gosh. Wow.
not only does my car fall, but it falls on me.
And me.
You lose 2 of your babies.
Wow.
Plot twist, I'll tell you guys now, my girlfriend bought this for me a while ago. It was a birthday present. She loves me a lot, spoils me, so I'm just kidding. You know my rules. What's my rules about people buying me things?
If you have the money.
No, just don't ever buy me a car. I've had dreams of people literally buying me, gifting me Lamborghinis, and it's just, ugh. I don't enjoy driving it. I didn't work for it, and it just.
You can buy me a pink Lambo.
Yeah, but you're like a sugar mama, you know what I mean? No, I'd be the sugar daddy. You are a gold digger. She's definitely richer than me, so. Okay, this is getting sad. I just don't want to turn the camera off. I think because it's my coping mechanism, because I don't really want this to go. But I'm really happy it's on the top now, but we can't really help him with much because, well, it's on the top. I mean, while we're here, right, and we're not in our home, I might as well, because now it's light outside. You see that's the sun? That's my sun. You get it, my sunshine. Here is the new CS carbon splitter. I didn't actually go with an M Performance part on this. I don't even know if you can do an M Performance CS splitter. I could be wrong. This is from Autoid, like I said in my video previous. Huge shout out to them right there. That's their Instagram. I'll have all their stuff linked down below. They hooked me up. Yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. And the best part, I mean, where's the carbon? Let's get a little carbon shot here. Ooh. So as far as cosmetic exterior mods go, I'm not gonna do too much. I know everyone's probably gonna say drop your car, put it on coils. As for now, I don't mind the ride height. The ride height is not that bad. I think it actually looks good on this car, and I just don't feel like compromising my ride quality. I know coilovers are better than springs. Maybe it would improve ride quality, but I just don't want to risk it. On my Golf, I had springs, and it made my ride pretty bad. So I don't want to touch that. Expect some sort of front splitter. Everything on this car, as I do with most of my builds, is all going to be like OEM plus. So if I do anything, like I said, it's going to be a CS part or an M Performance part, as this car kind of came really loaded as the Black Shadow Edition with M Performance parts. And then as far as like engine mods go, well, that you guys will have to wait and see. So there's my update on my M2. My car is the last stop here. This is kind of about it, huh? Are you gonna miss it?
Yeah, I wish I got to drive here with you in it.
You!
I said 2 minutes and it
No, you
wasn't
didn't.
2
You
minutes.
said I don't want to come.
Yeah, I
You
saw
said
you
I don't want to come. No, you didn't. False news. Bye, NSX. I love you. We had good times. I'll never forget the time I picked you up in San Francisco. We kissed. I mean, nothing. Yeah, but I have you to keep me company. My sweet, sweet M2. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2. I am driving and I'm in a really odd position, and if a cop sees me, I'm getting a ticket. So, oh God. Jeebus. That did not go well. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2 of the video. Today we're starting off with a very special guest. A guest who I have not seen in a long time. A guest that most of you guys might recognize if you're DDE fans. A long story with this guest, but he's probably one of the funniest people in the entire world, and he loves cars and M cars. And it's the first time he's been in this car. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be a good day. So welcome, Raymond. Ramon! Raymond! Raymond, it's me!
Oh, it's only you? Oh.
What's up, boy?
I thought it was like child support or something.
What's up? Wait, is this unlocked?
They got the cameras on
Yeah,
the
yeah,
shit.
yeah,
Hey, can I get in?
Get in. It's me, your Uber driver. The tables have
Oh
turned.
my God, this feels amazing. Ooh, Jordan, I am proud.
Welcome.
Look at you looking stylish. This is amazing,
What's up,
bro.
dude?
What's going on, bro?
How you doing?
No, I'm mad at you.
Why? Why?
Because I've never got to sit in the NSX, but now you got me sitting in the M2.
That's fair. You like M cars better though.
I do. If everybody knows me, I do love
First of all, I always forget when I don't see you for a while. You tall as shit.
I am.
Also, it's a little dark in here,
You can't see me.
and you a little dark. So
I look like
can't
your
see
shadow
you.
a little bit.
You do.
Let's move at the same time.
We're gonna cruise around. My girlfriend's, pampering herself or whatever, so I'm down here. I'm gonna catch up with Ray, so we'll see y'all in a couple seconds. Continuing the video, we just rolled up to Joy's house. Alex's mom got a Rolls Royce Dawn, and Jay's favorite color in the world is Yas Marina Blue, and she somehow convinced Alex, because she convinces Alex to do everything, to wrap the Dawn Yas Marina Blue.
No.
He said it was my mom's choice. But because a Rolls is pretty much a BMW, it's form-fitting, and it actually does look really good now that I see it now. So Dawn reveal in 10, 4, 6, 2. Wow. How do you like it?
I flex my nails with this car.
How do you like it, babe? My favorite thing ever? Would you like this more than a Yas Marina Blue M3?
Yes.
I feel like you only like the M3 because of the color.
Yeah.
So if this has the color, do you like this better than an M3?
It needs to be like the white accents. And like white interior. Like
It is
the
white
outside.
interior.
No, that's not white.
I'm not sure if that's my thing, but okay. Hey, it looks good though. It's all blacked out too. First of all, I've never been inside a Rolls Royce in my entire life. I'm the biggest car guy in the world. This is somehow my first time in a Rolls Royce. I don't know how.
I couldn't even figure out how to open the door.
It is very comfortable. It's
Even
so
the
bougie.
key matches.
This is so bougie. I love it. I just don't know if I could spend. Do you know how much money this car costs, Lily?
More than my life.
Guess.
I have no idea.
Guess.
100,000.
Like 350,000.
Holy.
Maybe even 400.
it's
No,
convertible.
probably 350 is my guess.
You know, I want to get.
Again, I could be wrong. I'm just saying. I think it's about that much. Somewhere around there. I know that.
Cheap.
I know a Phantom's like what, 500 to 600, 450 to 600, something like. I don't know. This vlog's getting kind of crazy. It has to be because you know it's a vlog about my NSX leaving. It needs to be important. Alex is actually buying 2 new vehicles. 2 new vehicles. Where we're going. 2 new vehicles. 2, but not exactly what you think. Okay, we'll see. We have to go places. After like 80,000 hours, we have arrived. This thing made it. Jordan's recovering from a migraine. Lily's chilling, and I am tired. And there's some cars here. We'll see. That's a Carrera GT with beautiful spec, black on black, which you never see. That actually might be like a dark. Oh no, this is reflecting. Supra. Beautiful ACR and a beautiful spec SV. And then some cars under covers and just some random stuff. NSX, shout out, a TRD Pro, and bike back there. A cool bike. That's what Alex is picking up. All right, we're taking Alex's new police car, which means the ladies sit in the cell. Get in the back. This means I don't have to listen to my girlfriend, and I'm only 1 seat in front of her. Can we hear them? Yeah. Oh, damn it. How do I lock it? This is absolutely amazing. We went to bed last night at 5 a.m. For those who do not know, I don't go to bed at 5 a.m. I go to bed at like 11 p.m. I am not like Alex Troy, or any of my other friends for that matter. We went to bed at 5. The sun started coming up. I don't like to see the sun come up unless I woke up to see the sun come up after I'd been sleeping for many hours. I want to end this video with the new upload schedule. I announced it on my main channel, but we finally have an official upload schedule for this channel. It is going to be Wednesday and Sunday, 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That is our upload schedule. I'm going to be posting 2 videos a week for you guys. Finally, I've been dying to get on the upload schedule here, but I've actually had to take a couple uploads away from my main channel to make this happen. So just know, y'all are special, and I'm taking time away from my, should we call it, main career to come out here and put out card content for you guys who love it. And for all those comments of people like, can't believe you haven't blown up yet, all this stuff, like, guys, we're getting started. We're just getting started. I haven't posted that many videos on this channel. Can't wait. Love you. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't need to know my upload schedule. You just get a notification every time a video goes live. And I'll see you. Well, this will go live Sunday. I'll see you guys Wednesday. Alex Troy, I fucking hate you.